Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ADD Workshop. Today we are taking apart the Black & Decker electric scissors. Alright, the reason I'm taking this apart is because the charger is charging it, but the battery is no longer taking a charge. So what we're going to do is, for one, see if I can replace the battery. If I can't do that, what I'm going to do is set this up to run directly from a wall adapter and not have to go through a battery first, and therefore just making it a plug-in tool, and it not charging won't be a problem. So we're going to take this thing apart and see what the inside looks like and see what we can do with it. Take the head off. Alright, let's pull this guy apart. We're going to use a little bit of force here. Alright, work our way around. Come back to this side. I'm doing this slow so we don't have parts go everywhere and the screws will stay in the holes and I don't have to remember where they go. Alright, so as we can see, we just got a little looks like DC hobby motor, little switch on and off, and then a little default switch. Alright, looks like we got some batteries right here and our little charging port. So we're going to pull this out, see what kind of battery we have, and see if there's anything we can do to get it fixed. Got some little spade terminals that are connected. They got little connectors connected to the battery, and the spade terminals connected to that. Okay, there goes our connection to the shaft there. Alrighty, we can pull out our... I'm going to try to leave all that in there for now. Okay, just falling apart in my hands. Alright, so we're going to unplug that. Got the other spade terminal off. So this looks like it'll be nice and easy if we do want to run it straight from the wall. All I would need to do is take this to here, and then when I plug in an adapter, it'll have power straight to the motor. Also be a little bit lighter because we won't have this battery pack in there. So let's see what kind of batteries we have. Bad idea to use metal to open up the battery compartment, but that's all I got. Alright, so we got 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cells. We got 3 cells here. They're all seriesed up. Got a D4-5 SC. It's a 1200 milliamp. So we got 3 of them. That'd be what, 3600 milliamps. So about 3 amp hours on this guy. A little over 3 amp hours. Well, 3.5 amp hours. Alright, so not going to be able to replace that. I was hoping it was going to be an 18650 cell. I have a couple of those that I could have put some terminals on and popped it in there, but that's okay. We're going to go the other route and wire this thing up to be ran directly from the wall wart. So we're just going to realign all this back in here. Alright. We'll switch back on. Alright. So this goes to our switch. Got a diode? Resistor? Somebody tell me what that is in the comments. I'm not sure what it is. It's got a color code on it, and it looks like a brown, blue, gold, or gold black, black, brown. Those are two black ones, they aren't blue. Yeah, so anyway, we're going to see. Of course, all the switches just want to pop out the whole time you're doing this. Alright, so all it looks like we need to do is run this guy, basically bypass this. Alright, got you zoomed in a little closer here. These wires are pretty small. So what we're going to do is cut this little guy out of here. Plain and simple. Alright, then we're going to strip some wires back. Now basically all we're doing here is we're just going to splice these wires back together. And basically we're just omitting the battery. Alright, let's see here. Alright, a little bit of more solder. Wasn't quite enough on there. It's okay though. Alright, so we got our connection soldered up. Now, all we have to do is put this thing back together, and then let's make sure we get the right voltage to our motor here. And this says it is a 3.7 volt, 3.6 volt motor. So all we have to do is find us a nice 3.7 to 5 volt power supply to hook up to this. Alrighty everybody, I'm back and I've got me a power supply hooked up to it. Going just straight over to a little wall wart. Had to find a universal adapter, and I had to up it to about 12 volts because it didn't put out enough amps. So anyway, got it hooked up, and there's no batteries in here now. It's just straight to power, and we're gonna see how she works. Not at all. And there we go. Works like a champ. I have to say, if you ever have a bunch of fabrics or material, things to cut that scissors don't really like to cut, and you have a whole lot of it, these are awesome. And now that I don't have to worry about charging it up all the time, I can just, you know, plug it in and cut right through it. And yeah, man, that's a good little deal there. I was about to chunk it and throw it away because the battery cells had gone bad in it, wouldn't hold a charge anymore. So now I've wired it up to go straight from a wall adapter into here. Ran our wire straight over. Works like a champ. Anyway, thanks for joining me here in the ADD workshop. Come back, you know, check out my other videos. I'll see you on the next one. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe so you know when I set out a new video, because there's no telling what I'll be doing next. Everyone have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one.